need stuff like that. I don't know if they have that. I gotta check that. I've been trying to catch myself, okay? If that makes any sense. Moms tap in. How are you feeling? Wives, how are you doing? Okay. Have you checked in on your husband lately? Okay, see how he's doing. Okay. Say something.
Just tell me already. Back like a level up. 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 Okay. I heard you like Sony. What?
I was minding my business. I'm always minding my business, right? But like somehow I'm not, because how does stuff happen to me if I'm minding my business? Anyway, I was minding my business, right? And my husband came into the door with this big package. Hey y'all. The thing about it though, I think I might have said this before. It's totally okay if you want to send me an email and say hello so we can like actually have a humanized conversation. Completely okay. I'm fine with that. It's just the thing about me, sometimes I actually like to have a connection with the people that know my address. That's just me though. That's just me. Anyway, and sorry, the box got spaghetti on it. I got children. We have a package from Naturium, okay? But this is actually a brand that I've repurchased. I've talked about it a few times. Look, let me show you. I repurchased this stuff, okay? I really actually do like this brand. Look, do right by people and people will do right by you. It's definitely something that I've learned in my life, okay? But I'm very appreciative, okay? And I'm nervous to open it. So let's go ahead and just get straight into this. We bring the science of consistent skincare to everyone, everywhere, every day. Consistency is key to skin you love. You know, I also want to talk to somebody from here because I want to let you know my skin concerns so we can really like curate a situation for me, because I need services like that where it's like a curated, personalized skincare situation. I really do need stuff like that. I don't know if they have that. I gotta check that out. So first of all, this like is beautiful, okay? This is like an official for real PR package situation going on right here, okay, ladies? Like, oh my gosh, I am like in shock. This is so nice. It comes with a magazine. That is so cool. If you need any advice on my routine, I just said that too. That's cool. That is so cool. You want me to read that to you? I totally can. Let's see. This is pretty interesting actually, and I'm gonna read this to you because I want you to know who you're buying, who I like, and why they even sent this to me, because I actually show these products because I like them. And it says, a note from our founder, Susan Yara. Naturium has come a long way in the past few years. I look back on a note I sent out to our community in 21, and I'm so glad our purpose remains the same. The goal of Naturium is to make sure everyone has access to the most effective formulas that also feel luxurious at prices that make sense. That is how we stay consistent with our skincare, because with consistency, we started to love our skin. I started my career in this industry as a beauty editor, so I received free skincare products from some of the most prestigious brands. And of course, I decided to give some of these magical creams to my mom. I told her, you're going to love these, they're expensive. Looking back, it's funny to think I associated expensive with efficiency. That's not efficiency. Sorry. And worse, my mom didn't open any of the creams for months. When I asked her why, she said she didn't want to waste them. That moment stood out to me because we all do this when we spend too much money. It's especially wrong with skincare because true results come when we use our products daily. First of all, I'm trying to tell you, I'm learning this about hair care. It does not matter. You need to use as much as you need to use, and you need to be able to go back and get it. And look, that's why I like this brand, because they're very affordable. If you need to use it, you need to use it, okay? And I love that so much. Fast forward, and you now see one of the driving factors behind Naturium. We deserve to love our skin and treat it well, and I'm so happy to welcome you to our community. First of all, welcome you to your community. You see that part right there? Where it says, you see that? Because, girl, okay, let me not be that person. Let me just say thank you very much. I appreciate the acknowledgement and recognition. I appreciate you seeing some of them sales on Amazon. I appreciate you seeing the conversion queen of the shoppable content here on YouTube, baby. I'm just kidding. Anyway, so inside of here, this is amazing. Like, this is so cool. This is so well thought out. Like, how long did it take you guys to really think about this? I'm not even playing. I've never seen I've been a creator for 10 years. I've never seen a PR package like this before. Maybe I don't get the top ones, but, or I don't know, but this is so cool. This is just so, I just love all the detail. I really do love it. So we have a vitamin C serum, a multi-peptide moisturizer, the Glow Getter body wash. I've been wanting to try the body wash so bad. The Glow Getter body butter, and the Photo Glow Lip Balms. I have the other lip balms, the chai latte and all those ones. I know my back is against my light. So let me get back on camera, hold on. But also on the back, let's see. This is pretty cool. This is some cool stuff, dude. And here's a QR code for y'all to check out. This is dope. Naturium.com, Target, Ulta, and Amazon. I'm pretty sure they're on YouTube shopping, like actual Naturium.com. I'm not sure, but you know, come on now. Ulta, I got you with the YouTube shop. Oh my gosh. Okay, so that's amazing. Okay, I'm sorry if I sounded like a fangirl. I'm sorry if I was talking too fast. To be honest with you, if we're just being honest for a second, it's like 1-2 o'clock in the morning. We're trying to get the kids to sleep. We're trying to figure out this thing called being like overran by little ones. Okay, when it's 5 against 2, it's just a lot going on. Okay, I need this because I need to just get back into me. I need to get back into a routine that makes me feel like I'm setting time aside for myself to like really take care of myself, if that makes sense. So I'm really thankful for this. It came on time. Okay, so let's get into these things. This is so cute. I need to see this. This is a keychain that says consistency is key to skin you love. I am definitely looking to get straight into a nice clean skincare routine. I've been trying so many different products, but I am ready to just buckle down on like one thing. This is super cute and it's nice and heavy too. So we also have another body butter. You already know. You know, I don't mind. Ow. This one's brand new with the seal on. I'm gonna keep the seal on it. But I'm gonna all day long. Look, body butter break. Body butter break. Body butter break, girl. That's it. That's her. So good. And I actually did not put on any when I got out the shower. I don't know what. Oh, refreshing. That's the good stuff right there. It smells so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. It feels so good. It literally feels luxurious. It feels like when you ask your aunt, you know, your rich aunt, when you ask her for a little bit of hand cream at church, and you be like, dang. Oh, like, okay. But you know, like, she shops at Macy's. It's like, it's that. It's literally, I'm trying to tell you, okay? I know somebody knows exactly what that means. Hand cream from Macy's out of someone's purse that has withers in it or peppermint candy. That's luxurious, okay? It's not the smell, it's the luxuriousness, okay? Somebody that has some money in their pocket. Somebody that actually puts more than $5 in the collection plate. Okay, so this smells so good. But I'm really excited to try the Glow Getter multi-oil body wash. This is crazy. Why? Because it's like, I have been, and I made a video not too long ago, letting you guys know like a way that you can get soft skin with Dove, right? If you're looking for like, just like a type of body wash that everybody can use type of thing. Dove Sensitive is what we all were using. Equate Sensitive, right? My hands is body butter. It's body butter. My hands is butter. But that's what we all use as a family. Something like this, nobody's touching this, just me. So I was looking for something, and I've been really wanting to put like an oil on when I'm in the shower. And I think I was looking for like a Vino or something. There's one that I've been wanting to try for like over 10 years. And then of course, when I finally want to go and get it, they don't make it anymore. And I'm still confused by that. I'm very confused. And I'm thinking I got the name wrong because what? I don't know why this body oil is not available anymore. But I never got to try that. So I had my eye on this, but I just wasn't sure. You know? And I'm very glad that I got it. It's an oil to gel formula that instantly nourishes. I'm gonna really do an actual test for you guys with this. And I'm gonna get in the shower and I'm gonna show you in the shower me using this and let you see, because you and I will be shocked and amazed, or whatever the case is, because I've been really looking for something. Sorry, saying that to say that with the Dove, that makes your skin really soft. But if you have like a quape or anything else, you could probably add like coconut oil, and that kind of gets you slippery. But I don't know, I don't know. Let me know if you put any type of oils or anything like that in your body wash, because I've been thinking about that. The coconut oil is cool and all. None of that matters because I have this now, but I'm just saying, like, let me know just in case. And again, I'll have all these products on the side as you see, so that you know how much things are, consider it, all that type of stuff. Let's get into these boxes. In these boxes, we have it's a combination of me not having a fan on in here for whatever reason. I have a fan right here. And me wanting to hurry up so I can make sure everybody's good. So I'm always talking really fast in my videos. I gotta like chill out on that. That's why I don't be hitting my 8 minutes on my videos. I talk too fast. But now let's get into these though. The vitamin C. We have the vitamin C complex serum. It brightens, helps firm and implant overall glow. And then we have the multi-peptide moisturizer, nourishes, smooths, and improves the look of fine lines and texture. Oh, I like that. Let's see if it's in here. No, let's see if it's in here. It is. Ingredients we love. Using upward motion, massage gently onto face and neck. That's cool. Our potent serum is formalized with the vitamin C complex made up of a highly stabilized ascorbic acid encapsulation and bioactive fruit blend that helps brighten and shield skin from environmental stressors for a healthier complexion. And then the multi-peptide moisturizer is our nutrient-dense moisturizer. Is formulated with our multi-peptide blend, encapsulated ethylated vitamin C and panthenol to target the look of fine lines and wrinkles for a more youthful looking complexion. Look, all the words that you don't know that I don't know, we're going to go on Google and look them up to know what that means and what it's helping us do and what it's for. A little bit of research does not hurt you, okay? To make sure that you're using something that's for you. I don't want you buying something that's not for you, okay? I don't want you using something that's not for you and then be like, oh, I don't like this. No, get what's for you, not what somebody's saying work for them. Message. Anyway, so let's see. That's an interesting way to open a package. You see how you open the package? That's kind of cool. Like a zip down situation. Ooh, I like that. Sorry. Anyway, yeah, also I'm gonna definitely have to reach out to them because like I said in previous videos, I was pregnant before when they first sent me something and I could not use a lot of that stuff. Had the BHA and I couldn't use it. I was so upset, so I actually don't have some of that stuff anymore. I did a whole purge at the beginning of the year. So yeah, you'll be seeing more of this brand because I really like this stuff. And it is available at Target. Remember when I made the Target video? I made those Target videos a while back. Little did I know I was making those Target videos when y'all out here on TikTok was talking about Target boycott. So I'm out here with thumbs downs on my Target videos. And I didn't even do anything wrong. I just didn't know here on YouTube that y'all on TikTok was having a boycott. Anyway, so yeah, but at Target, they have a beautiful display. I'll take you guys there. I'll take you guys to Target and show you the display that they have of the Naturium products. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I remember saying that. Anyway, this packaging, that is nice and hard. This is pretty. It's nice and thick. I love this. Beautiful packaging. It's really cute. I like how this opens up. It opens up to facts. That's adorable. Oh, that's cute though, bro. Okay, this is the peptide. I just see a lot of thought put into stuff. Is it just me? I see a lot of thought. You know my lips are crusty for a reason because I'm about to try on these lip balms. This is the peptide. I do have this multi-peptide moisturizer. I think I still actually have this. I do think I still have this. It's in my room. I do have this. I like this a lot. This is pretty cool. I don't use it all the time, but I most likely will now because I'm trying to develop a real skincare routine. It was one of those things I was using here and there, but I do like it. It feels really nice. It has a nice smell to it. Not too crazy or anything. That's cool. All right. And then, yeah, show you this pack. So that's the peptide. This is how that comes. Super cute. So let's go ahead and get into these Photo Lip Balms. I saw on their website that they have like a lot of new stuff and new lip products coming out. Not coming out, that have come out. And yeah, I'm excited about that. I love that. That chai one is lit. It's like the flesh tones, that set. It's very nice. I love this a lot. So this one right here is in Petal, Photo Glow Lip Balm. And let's see. I love the applicator. It's nice and smooth. It's so cute. This is what it looks like. Give you a little... I don't want to swatch it on here. I'm gonna put it on my lips. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see that. That's how it comes out. Okay. Yeah, so the youngest, Josiah, he's walking, basically. He's crawling and stuff now. He's everywhere. So there's that. This is Petal. This is Petal. This is the Photo Glow Lip Balm from Naturium and Petal. I'm so extra. I like that, it's cute. You see, it's like, I like these because it's like flesh tone. It goes straight to your complexion. Don't mind that, okay? It goes straight to your complexion. It looks really nice and it's Moisturizing. I love these products for the moisturization. I'm a big fan of the body oils and stuff like that, but the moisturization of these products is what I'm noticing. When it comes to my lips, I'm a smoker, yeah, sorry. But yeah, I am. And I'm a coffee drinker, and yeah, I drink 4 cups of coffee a day. I'm one of those, and I don't like a lot of creamer. So there's a whole lot of things that contribute to my lips being dried out like often, and that's why I like these, because it makes me still feel like I can look like something, you know what I mean? Sometimes you get like a feeling like, oh, I can only do Carmex, or why bother with lip products, or why bother with a nice lip when I'm just gonna, you know, it's gonna go away anyway in a minute. But I like these because not only does it add moisture to my lips, even when it's not on there or when it's coming off, or you know, whatever word you want to use for that, but it just still feels really nice. It feels like not, I don't want to use the word medicated. It doesn't feel medicated. It just feels nice and hydrated. So whatever. This one is in clear, transparent. I'm not going to swatch this one, of course, because it's clear. I like the packaging is so cute. I like the packaging a lot. You know, packaging gets us, but no, seriously, this packaging is so cute. It's just so nice and cute and quaint. Those are the 2 so far, Petal and Clear. And then this last one is Jam. I think I'm really gonna like this. So, like a nice maroonish, plumish type of situation. Literally like Jam. So let's see. This is the old one. Get that off my lips. See? And then even when I'm like dabbing it off, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like barely any color. I like stuff like that. See? My lips are not sticky. They're moisturized. I know the difference between something sticky. They feel cool. Like they feel good after like black. I don't know. Look. I'm not too sure how to explain it at 2 o'clock in the morning, but yeah. This one is Jam. Like I said, like a little plummy situation. Let's go ahead and, let's swatch this one on our lips as well. Yeah, it's a pretty girl. It's a pretty one. And again, I really like this applicator. That's nice. I wish I had some blush liner. Probably look really nice with this. So, I don't know. I don't like how that flattened like that so quickly though. Heck no. But yeah, this is all of them together. This one is plum on my lips. That looks really nice. I'm trying to tell you. It looks very nice. It looks even better in person. It looks like this is your color. Whatever color this is. What color is that? That's your color. This looks like my color. I like it. It makes me want to dye my hair black and put on some makeup and just like really just care about myself. That's crazy, because a little bit of this little change, that's what I'm talking about. That's what I mean, if that makes sense. It's like you still want to be able to wear something that makes you feel like you're putting a little effort, even though like you're totally about to smoke blunt. Like it's just kind of just that simple. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna be honest. But yeah, this is super cute. No, but seriously, I did want to come and show you guys this. I was not expecting this. I'm very thankful. Thank you so much to the Naturium family for acknowledging me and inviting me to be a part of your family. I humbly accept it. I'm very excited to see where this journey takes us and to be able to share the products with you all, because you know it's me, okay? The practical family shop. I know I changed back to all the world's ills. That's because we're going to be doing more of this talking and just relating with each other more. But yeah, affordableness. I'm gonna get back on showing you guys the affordable makeup under $10, all that type of stuff. But that's self-care does not have to be how Gen Z thinks it should be, okay? We're grown over here. This is the 30+ club, and we like to cut corners, save money, make sure our family's taken care of first, and then us. So when we want to take care of us, we don't want to splurge too much, but we do want to feel like we're getting luxury on a budget. And I'm trying to tell you, that's exactly what Naturium is. So like I said, I'm more than happy about the collaboration, about this whole situation. Send your girl an email. That's all I'm asking. Can you say hi to me? That's all I'm asking. I just need the people to know the real, okay? Because the real is that I have no point of contact. I just want you guys to know that, okay? But I love you though. I do. I appreciate it. Other than that, who loves you more than me? Jesus. He does. All right. With that being said, okay? You listen to this outro music from my husband. You subscribe and you have a blessed day, okay?
She used to be my buddy, yeah. We chill, yeah. Yeah. She used to be my buddy, yeah. Buddy, now we chillin', yeah. She used to be my buddy, now we chillin'. She wanna get up on the phone and tell me how she feelin'. She said she need another job, her current's not fulfilling. She already in debt and now she worried about the billing. How far will you go to get out of that? When the gun touch her soul, she see what Jesus will. I tell her be patient, but